my beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be giving my top 5 affordable body lotion that is suitable for fair skin. So these lotions are really affordable, and they glow the skin, they moisturize the skin, and guys, they tone the skin really well. Okay, it's for fair skin, camera skin, and when your skin is dull and you want to bring it back up, these are creams to use. They are really underrated, but they work, trust me. So let's get right into this video. Welcome back, guys. So the first one on my list is this one, and this is the Glutathione Drip Gluta Plus Giga White. So this right here, I'll be putting the picture for you guys to see. This lotion is very nice. Okay, there are different types, it comes in different color, but one thing I will have to say is that this particular one here, this one is very amazing to the skin. I've used this one, and sometimes I go back to reuse this lotion. Okay, one thing about this lotion, yeah, they put result in 3 days, pure whitening milk. This does not whiten the skin. Okay, what this does is that it tends to glow your skin. Not only that, it helps to also moisturize your skin, and it helps to gradually tone up your skin. It does not even lighten, it helps to tone up your skin. It does not whiten the skin. They just put this whitening, and most creams these days they tend to put whitening because that's what people want, and they just want to sell their market. But this white one in particular, does not whiten the skin. They have different colors that helps to whiten the skin and all that, but this one does not whiten the skin. This one gives you that milky kind of skin. That's what this one does. It gives you that milky kind of fine skin. People will be looking at you and be noticing that there's something different about your skin. Your skin is looking kind of milky, glassy look. That's what this one gives you. And then they wrote it's whitening the skin, whitening, dark patches, dark knuckles, acne, sunburn, wrinkles, anti-spots. Yeah, I would say the whitening parts, they should remove it, but yeah, for the other things it helps with it. If you're having sunburn or dark patch, it gradually helps you to get your skin back. It tends to even out your skin tone over time. It is not like the way they said 3 days. I don't know why you guys can't say it. Yeah, it's not like the way they said in 3 days. No, it's not in 3 days. For you to get your desired result of this cream, you have to use like a whole bottle to get your desired result. So this is one, and it is made with really great ingredients. We have the gluta and giga white injection in here. So it's the glutathione drip, and we know that glutathione is very good for the skin. So in as much as you are using this, don't forget your sunscreen. That is how you get your desired result. Always use your sunscreen. Okay, even if you're using a very mild lotion, sunscreen protects your skin from the sun. And then you see people that are inside the house, when you come out, they be like, they come out for house, see skin and all that. Yeah, that's what sunscreen does. Sunscreen is like a house on its own. It's like your skin house, where it protects your skin from the harsh weather, and harsh weather, the environment, toxin and all that. It's going to protect your skin from all that. So it is 1,800 naira. Can you imagine? That cream that is very good is 1,800 naira, and it doesn't leave you green veins, it doesn't leave you dark knuckles. I'm talking about this particular white one. It's just very mild on the skin. There's the one that is action whitening ×3. There's the one if you want to whiten your skin. There's the one for dark skin people, but this one is just a mild milk, so it doesn't whiten. Like I said, it just helps gradually makes your skin clear. So the next one is going to be Skin Magnet. So this Skin Magnet is another very affordable cream that is or body lotion that is very nice on the skin. What this does is that it tends to help to brighten your skin with time. Okay, if you are a fair skin person, you have this camera skin, you can use this. If your skin is feeling dull and you just want to bring back your skin, this is one lotion you should try. It has great ingredients like it has abutin, it has avocado oil, carrot oil, and it also has sunscreen in it. So this is very nice. So you're using it and it's also protecting your skin, which is one thing why I love this lotion, because not everybody tends to rub sunscreen on their body. Most times we tend to concentrate on our face, and yeah, will you blame us? No, because sunscreen is really expensive, and you just want to like, oh, let me just protect my face. Yeah, we need to protect our body as well, and that's why it's very good to go for lotions that contain sunscreen. No matter how little, it goes a long way. So this lotion contains sunscreen and is very good, and it has these aha and abutin. These are very nice ingredients that you can, that you need to look out for in lotions to brighten or to tone your skin. So it helps with sunburns, it helps with dark knuckles, and then they put it doesn't whiten the skin. Let me tell you guys, it doesn't whiten the skin. It just helps to like brighten it a bit in the long run. It's not like they are sharp. Your skin will be looking really beautiful, your skin will be very glowy. And one thing about this lotion is that it's very high in moisturizer. So if you are having body acne, it's something you should watch out for. You don't want something that will be too moisturizing for your skin, but yeah, it is very high in moisturizer, because look at the ingredients they even added. You guys, so this lotion is very good, and it is like 1,800 naira. Very affordable products that you need to be trying out. That's most people share, they just like packaging. They like packaging. Oh yeah, this package is very good. Oh, it looks expensive. Or when you say expensive, be like, oh yeah, expensive product. Most times even the cheaper ones can give you what the most expensive ones cannot give you. Okay, so sometimes you should try it out, and when you find the one that is good for your skin, stick with it. Okay, you don't want to be changing so that you don't destroy your skin. But for this one thing I would advise is, if you're a dark skin, except you want to brighten up your skin, I would not advise you go for it. Okay, but if you're a fair skin person and you are chocolate skin person, you can go for this one. But if you're a dark skin person, it's going to brighten you up. So except you want that, I will advise not to use that one. Okay, what we're going to be talking about is White Up Lotion. Even though they put White Up Lotion, guys, it doesn't whiten the skin. Don't let what they write there deceive you. Like I always say, most of the lotions I'm talking about, they always put whitening, this is it, and they don't whiten the skin. Yeah. Okay, so one thing I love this lotion about is that it has great ingredients. It has AHA, and it also has vitamin C. Not only that, they added sunscreen to this lotion. So this lotion glows the skin very, very well. Like, it glows your skin. If you want to have a glowing skin, this is one lotion to go for. It's very mild on the skin. It does not give you any side effects. It is very moisturizing to the skin. And then this lotion, because of the AHA, it helps to exfoliate the skin, thereby removing dead skin cells from the skin. And breathing, when your skin produces new skin cells, it helps to like protect it and all that. So this lotion is very good, and it is very affordable. It is about 1,000. It is about 1,900 now, 1,900 or 2,000 now. Guys, this lotion is very mild. People just like the packaging is just try this lotion. Okay, so this lotion is going to help tone your skin. It's going to even out your skin tone, and it's not fast. Okay, I think this one within 2-3 weeks you start seeing results, but it is not a fast action lotion. Even though they wrote White Up, you're going to tone up, you're going to brighten up a bit, but not white up. My next is going to be vitamin C Q10. So vitamin C Q10, well, I say the foreign one, yeah. Oh my god. So the next one is going to be vitamin C Q10. Vitamin C Q10, that's the foreign one. I'll put in the pictures for you guys to see. This lotion, guys, I think it's more pricey than the other ones I've talked about, but this lotion, it is very, very good. Not only is it mild, it has vitamin C and other great ingredients. It also moisturizes the skin. One thing about this is that it tends to brighten your skin over time. Guys, this lotion brightens the skin. I want to talk because I know a lot of people that are using it, and I can see their skin, like their skin is like cake, icing, that creamy icing cake. That's what their skin is like. Very creamy, you look at their skin like, oh, it's very moisturizing. And their color, they have this pinkish yellow undertone. So it's making their skin look really fine. It's not like you're using any whitening cream, but the skin just comes out really, really beautiful. So that's one thing, or one reason why I love this vitamin C Q10 a whole lot. And it does not leave any side effect, does not give green veins, does not give knuckles or anything. Instead, it helps to protect your skin. So my last one is going to be Bio Oil Body Lotion. I know people say, bio oil. Yeah, bio oil body lotion is one lotion that is very good for everybody. Whether you're dark skin, whatever skin you are, this lotion is very good. One thing is, if you get in contact with original bio oil, you understand what the body lotion does. One thing about the bio oil body lotion is that it makes your skin look very soft, like a baby skin. It helps to moisturize your skin. Your skin is going to look supple. It helps with anti-aging. It helps with stretch marks on the skin. It helps with a whole lot of things. This has really great ingredients, and then it moisturizes your skin. It's something that is going to even out your skin tone, and your skin is going to be looking really toned, but in a gradual process kind of way. Bio oil is something that is expensive, but yeah, I love it so much. Bio oil is one oil that I love. If you come across the original, guys, the original bio oil, you'll be looking at your skin and be like, wow, you understand. So that's what bio oil does. And in as much as I said that all these creams don't whiten, because the right whitening does not whiten. For example, now this one, now that they wrote pure whitening milk, like I said, it does not whiten the skin. But in as much as I said it does not whiten the skin, one thing that these people do is that they produce a product that is like the cream. They produce it, and they produce an activator oil. They will just say this is the oil. So what you're supposed to do is get the oil and pour in it. Most times the oil or the serums that this company produce are activators for the cream. So you using it like this, you're not going to get like the 3 days whitening. But when you see oil, this whitening oil, or the product creates oil for the cream, and you add it inside, you mix it together and you use, then you get the full effect. But using it just like this, you're not going to actually get that 3 days whitening or 3 days result or 7 days result. No, it's there's this lotion I talked about then, pure skin something doctor sharp. That one has the lotion. When you use the lotion on its own, it makes your skin fine, but it doesn't do the work. But then when you now add the oil to it, guys, you will white. You will turn to weebo. Like, this is no joke. I've talked about this lotion, and a lot of dark people, when they are trying to brighten up their skin or whiten up their skin or lighten up their skin, that's one lotion they go for. And after they've gotten their desired result, they tend to maintain it. Dr. Claire, I can't remember the name. If I can remember the name, I'll put it up for you guys to see. So most times the lotion is serum or the oil is an activator to boost the effect of the cream. So you're using it like this, it's not actually going to work. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Guys, please like my videos, please, so that YouTube can push my videos. When you like my videos, you're helping my videos. And you can support the channel by checking the description box or the comment section if you want to, or use the super thanks and all that. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.